Hello everyone, it's Mark and welcome back to our video newsletter. In this video I want to talk to you about how long should you wait before you get your loved one help. So we get a lot of calls from families whose loved ones, particularly since COVID came along, who've really been suffering, who have relapsed, substance use is coming back, mental illness has been coming back. We're seeing just a ridiculous amount of people who are getting Baker Acted. And the family says to us, listen, what can we do? When should we take action? And my response to them is, the time to take action is now. Don't wait, because substance use and mental illness only get worse with time. And, look, we're always flattered when a family calls us for help. But, look, nobody knows your loved one better than you do. So when you start to see those, signs that they're having problems, the time to act is now. Don't wait, okay, because it just only gets worse. And so, while we have access to a ton of resources, I'm always happy to give, people access to the resources we have. I don't charge to give you, a referral for a clinician or somebody like that. But I will tell you, one of the best resources we have is NAMI, the National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI, and their website is nami.org. So look, I think that is a great place to start, okay? But look, if your loved one is refusing to get help, obviously, one of the best things you can do potentially is to file for a guardianship. Take control of the situation. Get a judge to authorize you to make medical and clinical decisions for them. Obviously, you need the help of a clinician potentially to help you with those decisions. And we're not clinicians, and I don't give clinical advice. But what I can tell you is that the guardianship will allow you to make decisions for your loved one when they can't make them for themselves. Okay, the Marchman Act, another great tool. Okay, if your loved one is having substance use disorder issues, a fantastic tool. Again, it'll allow you to make a treatment decision for your loved one. So guardianship and Marchman Act, fabulous. Two of the tools that we use. Now, the Baker Act, do we use it occasionally? Yeah, we do. We have a licensed clinical social worker who's part of our team. And if Baker Act, if emergency stabilization is required, then yeah, I'll certainly put you in contact with Evan, who's a licensed clinical social worker that we work closely with. There are other clinicians out there who will also do it for you. And look, if it's an emergency, call 911. Have law enforcement come to the scene and initiate the Baker Act for you. But just understand, Baker Act is not for treatment. It's only for emergency stabilization. And the Guardianship and Marchman Act can be initiated after someone's been Baker Acted. So look, we get it. People are really having a tough time right now. I can tell you that even as lawyers, we have been, trying to be more diligent about our own, emotional and mental well-being. We speak to families from all over the country, and I'll tell you, it's exhausting work for us. And we're always flattered when we get a call. We have to be careful ourselves. How do we take care of our own mental health and emotional well-being? So if your loved ones, having issues, don't wait. You can reach out to us for some of the resources we have. NAMI, NAMI.org, a fabulous resource, and I know they help a lot of people. So with that said, don't wait for your loved one to get sort of to the tipping point where they need to be Baker Acted, okay? Get them help now. With that said, thank you again for all the questions you've been sending us. The emails, I love them. You can reach out to us. We never charge for a consult. Remember, I have all these resources. I'm giving them away for free. And also check out the Q&A section on the Baker Act Attorney's website, and even on the Drug and Alcohol Attorney's website. Tons of free information. Take a few minutes to go over that. And with that said, take care of yourselves. Be well and stay safe.